How you doing, guys? This is the phone guy Onyx. We're here to show you guys how we're going to unlock our AT&T Z Fold, our Z Fold 5s, and we're actually switching to Verizon today. So we're going to show you how that process works. So here's my brother. We're actually unlocking his Z Fold 5, and we're going straight to the website Cellunlocker.net. You literally www.cellunlocker.net. You type in the information, the type of phone. We went hit Samsung and typed in Z Fold 5. Then you choose your carrier, AT&T. And the next option is just type in your IMEI. And you can actually find your IMEI in your settings, and we'll show you how to do that real fast right now. So you just drop down your navigation bar, hit that quick settings option, scroll all the way to the bottom to about phone, and then right here, you actually will see where it will show you what your IMEI number is. All right. So the last part is when you actually finish submitting your request, they'll send you an email on what your lock code is, and we'll show you what that email is actually going to look like. It should be sent to you. Sam, yeah. Put me in the spam again? Come on. Yep, it did. All right, so when you get the email, it's going to look just like this. It's going to have the IMEI number, and then it's going to give you the actual unlock code. And literally, that's your unlock code right there. The one that starts with a 9 is going to be different from every phone. But most Androids is going to be the NCK number, and you type that in. So we're going to show you where to type that in now. Copy that number right there. Yeah. And we're going to have him copy his unlock code. So go back. And literally all you do is put in a foreign SIM card. So right now we have our phone, we have an AT&T phone. And he's going to go ahead and put his Verizon SIM card in. That does make it easier. He's going to go ahead and fold the phone to make it easier. Don't pop it all the way in though yet. Yeah. All right, now unlock the phone. Unlock it first. All right, so right here, this is what it'll look like. Go ahead and pop in the SIM card now. All right, and you'll instantly see the phone's gonna recognize, hey, this phone isn't unlocked. It says enter network unlock code, and that's the code that we just got from the email. So he's gonna copy and paste that code in real fast and hit unlock. It says incorrect code enter. So let's make sure we have the right code copied. That'll be the only problem. Just hit dismiss and take the SIM card out. I'm gonna do it again. Sometimes these things happen. It's probably just an extra space or something. There you go. Yeah, make sure you don't have nothing extra. Yeah, copy. All right, so we're gonna try that again. Yeah, pop around. All right, hit paste. And unlock. Network unlocked. Perfectly. And it works instantly that fast as long as you make sure that you don't have any extra spaces or anything on the unlock code. And so you can be able to see how fast this phone's going to start working now. Once we have the lock code typed in, it should be working. In a moment, we're going to have him make a phone call. Yep, you see it says Verizon now? Yep. What happened is give me a call. No, don't call me. Just call anybody else.